20 is what percent of 50? Let me translate. 20 is means equal sign. What means x? Percent means this sign. Of means multiplication then 50. Percent means 1/100. Now divide this 50 by 50, you will get 1. Divide this 100 by 50, you will get 2. So you are getting this x times 1/2. Now to free x, multiply both sides by 2. So cancel this to this 2. So we are getting x equal to 20 times 2, 40. X equal to 40. That is 20 is what means 40 then percent. 20 is 40% of 50.